Are you a beginner logo designer looking for the best free fonts to create stunning designs? In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 fonts that professional logo designers use and how to use them to make your design stand out. Learn how to choose the perfect font for your design and make sure you never miss out on a project again. Discover the best free fonts of 2023 now. 1. Butterfly Monogram Font. Butterfly Monogram is an elegant decorative font featuring lovely ornaments. Fall in love with its authentic feel and use it to create gorgeous wedding invitations, beautiful stationery art, eye-catching social media posts, and cute greeting cards. 2. Happy Rainbow Family Font. Happy Rainbow Family is a lovely and cheery trio font, display, serif, and script. It embodies playfulness and authenticity and is the perfect choice for any children activity or school project. 3. Sophia Monogram Font. Sophia Monogram is a refined decorative font that features charming ornaments. It has a genuine feel and can be used to create elegant wedding invitations, beautiful stationery, striking social media posts, and charming greeting cards. It adds a touch of sophistication to any design. 4. La Mama Font. La Mama is a modern, stylish, and flowing handwritten font duo, script and display. It has beautiful and well-balanced characters, and as a result, it matches a wide pool of designs. It is the best choice for creating eye-catching logos, branding, and quotes. Add it to your most creative ideas, and notice how it makes them come alive. This font is PUA encoded, which means you can access all of the amazing glyphs and ligatures with ease. 5. Lemon Mint Font. Lemon Mint is a fresh, modern, stylish, and flowing handwritten script font. It has beautiful and well-balanced characters, and as a result, it matches a wide pool of designs. Add it to your most creative ideas and notice how it makes them come alive. Comes with free doodles clipper for your designs. Thank you for watching our video on the 5 best free fonts for logo designers in 2023. We hope that this guide has been helpful for all of our beginner logo designers out there. Remember to always experiment and have fun with different font options to find the perfect fit for your brand. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more design tips and tricks, and leave a comment below with your favorite font from the list. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing!
How it's supposed to feel.